Imagine a marriage without deadline. Imagine a life without direction. Imagine a flight without landing time, without taking off time. Imagine an office without opening time, without closing time. Imagine a train which is moving without direction, which has no deadline, which has no destination. Imagine a train, imagine a bus which has no direction in which school. For example, this bus is a school bus, in which school this bus is going. It has no deadline up to when this bus is going to reach in that particular school. Imagine anything without deadline. Do you think when we don't have deadline, we are going to complete something in a given time? Never. Because we don't know up to when we are going to complete a particular thing. So if we don't have deadline in our life, do you really think that we are going to achieve something in a given time of interval? Never, never, my friends. So start developing the habit of making a deadline to achieve something, because we want to develop so many skills. For example, I'm weak in communication skill. I want to be a better communicator. I don't have a deadline up to when I'm going to be a better communicator. For example, I want to learn public speaking. I want to learn all the things which are important in my career. But what I'm doing, I don't have a deadline. I just want to achieve those things without deadline, without direction. तो हमें डेडलाइन देनी पड़ेगी, हमें पता हो कि वो चीज़ मैं कब तक कर लूँगा. सो यू कैन डिसाइड इन 2021 दैट आई एम गोइंग टू डेवलप 3 skill, 4 skill, 5 skill, but in a given interval of time. You can decide that I'm going to develop communication skill, I'm going to develop public speaking, I'm going to develop presentation skill, I'm going to develop teaching skill, I'm going to grow in my life, I'm going to progress in my life, I'm going to develop myself, I'm going to develop my personality. But it is going to happen only when we have a deadline. The problem is that we don't have a deadline. We just want to achieve things without giving a deadline. The moment we give deadline, we become active. We have energy and we start preparing for a particular goal. For example, the date of a marriage is fixed. Now all the members of the family in both the families are active and they start taking initiative, they start doing preparation, and they are so much worried about the date, and they start taking actions step by step, step by step. So in the same way, we can do one thing in our studies. We can give a deadline. For example, I have a test tomorrow. I can do one thing. I can separate my lesson in a particular slot. I can give a deadline to myself that I am going to finish numerical portion first in a particular given time. Then I'm going to finish derivation portion. Then I'm going to finish definition portion. I'm going to finish this particular lesson in a given interval of time. So if you give deadline, you are active and you know up to when you are going to wake up. For example, on Sunday, we don't have a deadline. We just keep on sleeping and we wake up at 11 a.m. and we are not taking breakfast. We are taking brunch. Because we are so late, we don't have a deadline. This is the problem. So please start giving deadline to your goals. This is the problem. The problem we had 3 years ago, we have the same problem today. It is because we don't have a deadline. We just want to achieve the things. Give deadline to develop a skill. You can give a deadline right now to a particular skill which is going to be beneficial in your career. So give a deadline today and start growing in your life. Without deadline, you just keep on walking and wasting your time, wasting your energy, wasting your money. So please, my friends, give a deadline. Thank you so much for watching. Please share the video if you like and support my channel. Thank you.